Hi guys, I will teach you how to download Delta Executor. First, delete your Roblox and uninstall app and install. Find the Chrome and search Delta Executor. Delta Executor. Delta Executor. That scroll down, scroll down. Oh, this is updated. Click that, click. Hmm. Download. Click the download. Download. You cannot download. Delta Executor. How to not working? This is on. This is the Delta. Scroll down, scroll. Oh, this is on right X. Download anyway, and you need to wait it. You need to wait. Wait that. Wait that. Wait this. Let's pass forward. If you can X that, if you can if you can tap the X, and this is here your downloads, and that's the script as the my one waited this, and I will teach you how. This is my YouTube. Go this, go this, click that, like this the description. That's show the script. Waited X, and that videos is you need to that mm, that's the script on the Rents app. Let's see that now. The download. That's that. Let's wait nyo lang. Wait nyo lang. Let's wait this. And I will teach you how to put this again. So you need to wait and download. Click that download with that and install Roblox. And waited this. I'm so lag. And open. Click the open. With that, I will teach you how to put a key in the next video. That click that and ta-da! You have a Delta executor now. And this is my account. And let's open the Blacksburg. That's click it. We need to wait. That's so easy to get the Delta executor. With that, that's we have a with that wait for 2 minutes. Just with that. Please like and subscribe if you are new in my video. Can you like and subscribe? I said goodbye to you. And right now, with that, you see him. Wait.